Hi, this is Natalie with The Fifth Journey. I'm going to be making a fun cranberry soap today. This is the Cranberry Chutney that I'll be doing, and I'm going to be using some of the low sweat detergent-free glycerin soap with this, so use them as embeds. And what I did is I purchased this little mold that does these little circles, and I thought it'd be fun to kind of do a tube with the different colored circles in them. So if you can see, of course, that one has a flat end, but it's going to have these balls in them throughout. So I'm going to put these inside the soap, and then I'm going to put one of these on top of each of the slices. So I have the fragrance oil. It says it does discolor to a dark yellow or tan. So what I'm going to do is mix this together, and then I'll pour some of it into here with this, it's supposed to be red, but that's a very bright pink mica, and then add the fragrance oil in, and I'm going to do an in the pot swirl and then pour that in. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll fast forward through this part, but we'll see ya in a bit. We're back for the cut of the Cranberry Chutney, and I'm going to do this a little bit differently. I'm going to go ahead and use this cutter instead of my big loaf cutter, because I don't know if these are exactly 1 inch apart, and I don't want to put it on there and cut one of my little balls, my little cranberries on top in half, or just nick a little bit. So you can see that we have some nice discoloration with the fragrance oil where it did turn that yellow tan color, and then the pinks there. So, and I knew in the beginning I said I'd do an in the pot swirl, but what I ended up doing, as you probably saw, is I did some swirls in the actual mold, some drop swirls, and then I did it in the pot and then poured it in. So the embed did end up going down to the bottom on both of these, and that's, I mean, that's okay. I was hoping to be kind of in the middle, but I was concerned about the fragrance accelerating, because sometimes things move and sometimes they don't, and this one did end up thickening up towards the end, so I didn't have a whole lot of time. But we're going to go ahead and trim these up and cut them. There we have it. So we have some nice swirls going on in there. This one didn't end up having one of the balls in it, but if you look at some of the other ones, like there's just the edge of one of them, there's a little bit bigger one, and there's another bigger one. So I think that's really fun with the swirls, and it does smell really good. So I'm going to go ahead and trim these up, stamp them, and then put them on the curing racks, and we will come back when it's time for a final look.